Hello everyone. In this video, we'll show you how to embed a TikTok feed on a WordPress website with the official WordPress plugin. Step 1. Create your widget. Start by opening the Mirror app website. Sign up or log in if you already have an account. Then click Create New Widget. Choose TikTok feed from the widget options. Step 2. Customize the design. Select the source you want to connect and go to the Design section to edit what you want to display on your website. Once your feed is connected, you can customize how it looks. Adjust the layout, card style, spacing, and other design settings to match your website. When everything looks right, click the Publish button and copy the WordPress shortcode in just one click. Step 3. Add it to WordPress. Log in to your WordPress account. Go to the Plugins section and type Mirror app into the search bar. Select Mirror app, short video feed, then click Install and Activate. Now click the Edit Site button. In the editor, click the plus button and find the shortcode option. Paste the shortcode from Mirror app into the shortcode block, place it where you want the widget to appear on the page, and save your changes. Great! Your TikTok feed should now appear on your website. Please note that some custom code options in WordPress may depend on your current plan. For more information, visit our Help Center and explore the links in the description.